Hi everyone. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to export a graded quiz from Etudes as a PDF file. And this is helpful if you need to attach a student test to your SLO. That's what I've been working on. And I just want to say a special thanks to Reba Taylor in the users group. She's the one that came up with this solution. So special thanks to Reba. And step one, we're in my Etudes class. We're going to go to assignments, tests, and surveys. From here, we're going to go to grading. And then now we're going to go to whichever quiz I want to export. And in this case, we'll just pick the first one, Precursors of the Renaissance. I'm going to right-click on this one, which opens this dialog box. And I'm going to select Open Link in New Window. And you can see that that's sort of stripped the page of all of the other stuff, all of the Etudes skin and look, which is what we want to do here. So now I'm going to click on the quiz again, the quiz title. And from here, we want to click on the name of the student whose test we want to export. So I'll just pick this first name. And if this is a long final exam with a lot of questions, you will want to adjust right up here where it says questions viewing 1 of 5. If this is a short quiz, but if this were a final exam with 100 questions or something like that, you definitely want to click this little drop down menu and select all. And all that's going to do is it's going to put every single question on the same page, or in this case, file. So that's an extra step you want to do. So now that we have that done, we're going to go up into the top of the screen, and you'll see right next to Firefox I have File. And we're going to click File, and then we're going to click Print. And that brings up this box, which in my case, I don't have a printer connected to my computer, so I don't have to select the printer. In some cases, you will have to click in here and look for anything that says print to PDF. In some cases, you'll have a button down here that says print as PDF or save as PDF. In my case, it just says PDF right here. So I'm going to click this little drop down menu and select Save as PDF. And here I can retitle it if I'd like. I can also choose where I want to save the file to. It's on the desktop, so that's fine. So all that looks good. I'm going to click Save. And if you'll notice, it popped right up right away on my desktop right here. So what I'm going to do, I'll minimize my Firefox pages and bring over my PDF. And let's open it up and take a look. So depending on what kind of PDF viewer you have, in my case I have Acrobat Pro, which is important because at our college we have to remove the name of the student for privacy reasons from these SLO assessments. So if you have just the regular Adobe Reader, you might not be able to cover up this name. So if that's the case, you're out of luck at this point in the video. But for those of you that have Acrobat Pro, there's a way to delete this name, and that is to go to the right where it says Tools, click on Tools, and then click right here where it says Edit Document Text. And then we want to go to where it says Name and just sort of click right near it. That's going to highlight that whole box. and then we can either highlight this or just hit delete on your keyboard, and that'll take out the name. And then of course we want to save this, so I'm going up to the save icon and clicking it. And now it's totally anonymous, this student quiz. So this particular paper is ready for me to attach to my SLO submission, and that's it. If you don't have Acrobat Pro, I'll try to figure out a way to cover up the name for you, but for this video I just wanted to show the basics. So I hope that helps, and thanks again to Reba.